Now, I spoke of this quite some time ago, and I was put onto the clay kick, brick clay brick, whatever you want to call it. I use the Maguires. There's many brands around, and it's pretty much just like clay. Like it says, you don't think you're actually getting anything done. You're thinking, what can this possibly be doing? But it takes off. You've got to do it when it's wet and it's washed and all the rest of it. It's going to be wet at the time. And you go over it and it just takes off all that inner grind that you don't see. And it's almost like you've just polished it and waxed it. It's absolutely incredible. I recommend it for you. It doesn't take long to do. You literally just wipe right over it, clean it off, and she's good to go. So yeah. So getting very pumped up, even though it's 6-7 months away, for this trip to Silverton and then around Australia. Got 10 weeks off, and Sammy, our Tata, will be doing my brakes and my fork oil, and probably need new tyres again by then, service, and should be good to go. But yeah, definitely give this quick clay a go, guys. Matte finish, I don't know, you'll have to inquire, but definitely for the gloss bikes is something you want to have a crack at, because this stuff is really very, very good. Absolutely. Oh god, the ducks are in. Yay. There you go. Riveting stuff. Get on it.